Hi, I'm Andre. I'm one of the senior iOS developers working on Velvet for the past 2 years, and today I'll be showcasing a demo of Velvet on Apple TV. Velvet is our dynamic OTT streaming framework that contains all the integrated services a streaming platform might need, ready to be used out of the box. It is available on various platforms like native mobile, web, CTV, and others. Our architecture on Velvet allows us to plug and play different vendors into the core SDK, depending on the client needs, whether that's switching the native video player to Bitmovin or switching the CMS that we use to something that the client might need. We also offer UI SDKs that together with the core, we can rapidly deploy complete OTT streaming applications. Here we have Velvet on Apple TV. We recently updated our hero carousel to be full screen and to feature a background video to showcase content like trailers or highlights for sports. This component is scrollable. We have category rails and full width carousels. Other types of content cards. Continue watching, vertical rails. And what's new to Velvet is we added the carousel vertical cards that also contain a background video. And other types of variations of the content cards that feature tags, titles, subtitles, and dates. Another new feature that we added to Velvet is Snips. Snips is a feature that can be used to discover content. It is developed to target younger audiences because of their exposure to Reels and TikTok. The snips can be expanded to show more details. From here we can play the full content or navigate to the details page to show even more details. On the details page we also feature a background video, and we also have segmented tabs that can be configured to showcase anything from rails to more detailed text boxes or even merchandise. Another capability of Velvet is the customization of the layout, the look and feel of the apps using the presentation manager. We can rearrange the components, change their design, change the theming of the app, and even control who can see which rails based on their subscription levels or based on the platform. Using the presentation manager, we can rearrange the components on the homepage by just dragging the components down. We can edit those components and change their title, their render type, so whether I want it to look like a hero or a rail, and change the card to any type that we have already implemented. So for example, we can use vertical cards here. We can filter that rail by platform, so if you want to remove it from the Android, you can do it from here, and we can add other platforms. We can also filter by subscription level, so only Pro users can see this, for example. We can also edit the menu, so what menu actions we want to appear on the left. We can edit those menu items with their text, their icon, and we can even change how they redirect us. So they can push a new page, they can present a pop-up, or on web, they can open a new tab. Those menu items can also be filtered by platform. Another powerful configuration option is the per platform config. So here we can go on Apple TV, for example, and we can change the theming of the app. So if we want to change the text color from white to black, we can do that here. We can publish those changes, and the next time we refresh the app, it will be reflected. There is also more granular configuration by using the JSON. Here we have feature flags that we can disable or enable features. We have other parameters such as intervals or booleans. and we also keep the endpoints here. So if there's a migration to a new endpoint, we would just have to change it here instead of releasing a new version of the app. If you want to know more details about Velvet, visit our website or book a live demo with us. The information is in the description. Thank you.